unboxing / haul. So yeah, I just got some new Taylor stuff from the sale and from Walmart, because this was $7, this was $9. So let's just get on. Start off by unboxing Wonderstruck. I also have both of these, but I have them in the little stick version. If you don't know what they look like, I'll pop up a picture right here, and I don't know where they are right now, so yeah, I haven't unboxed this yet. I've been reading through this video. Look at how small it is. It's 0.5 fluid ounce. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. I can't get it out. Okay. So, really small. I don't know. Yeah, this is my first tiny little bottle. And yeah, I'll compare this one to this one in a minute. So yeah, next we're gonna unbox Wonderstruck Enchanted. I got this one because it came with a free tattoo. Here's Wonderstruck Enchanted. The bottle is really iridescent-y, and if you've smelt it before, it is the best thing ever. Both of these are. These are actually kind of my two favorites. So yeah, here I'll set these up real quick so that you can see them in a minute. So those are my perfumes, and I'll show you the tattoo. Okay, so it comes in this little thing, has a picture of her, and I think it's supposed to be scented, and it has a bottle. Then here is the tattoo right here. You can see right here. It says Wonderstruck Taylor Swift 13. And yeah, perfumes. This is a 0.5 fluid ounce, and this is 1 fluid ounce. And as you can see, this one's way smaller. This box may be taller, but that's just like the wrapping. Focus. Yeah, focus. Okay. So yeah, that's just that. The bottles are really iridescent, if you can see, and I really love this box. Like, this is so pretty. Focus. Yeah. So yeah, those are my perfumes. So let's just go to the 1989 Taylor Swift Seagull Beach Bag. I have all my stuff in here right now, so it's not as new, but I did get this like a week ago. So yeah, I got this shirt because it was buy one get one free beach essentials, something like that. It's just the Taylor Swift muscle tee where she's laying like that. So yeah, that's that, and I'll show you what else I got. It's not really that big of a deal, but it's, yeah. So next, they sent me a poncho with it, and says the 1989 World Tour. So why don't we just put it on? You know, casual. Yeah, so that's the poncho. Has a hood. And yeah, that's all for today's haul. Hope you liked it. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah. Love you and bye. So I went to a little street fair last week and I got this frickin' Jewel from 92.5. If you live in Washington, you know who I'm talking about. Look them up. And I basically just got this for free because I saw Taylor on it, and it's the phrase that pays. So there's Taylor, Justin, Selena, and Drake. So I really wanted to get it because Taylor and Selena, but I like Taylor more, so I'm probably going to hang this up somewhere in my room. Yeah. So that's all for today. just forgot to show you this. So yeah.